Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, Handy Andy on demand. And today we're over in the Ackworth area, and Bonnie brought us out to take a look at this. And you know, one of the things that's annoying to me is so many customers go online, and we are a top-rated home advisor contractor, have been for years. In fact, we quit and they begged us to come back. And one of the reasons we quit is there's a couple guys in this area that are calling themselves Handy Andy Handyman, or one guy is HandyANDY's Handyman, another guy is Andy's Handyman, something like that. And so it's almost mind-numbing when you're in business to have to deal with these copycats. And so she thought she was getting us. When you watch all of our videos, that's who people want. And somehow they got crossed with this guy because he buys leads from home advisors. So that's how that service works. You put your information in for free, they charge us for the lead instantly, and he's one of the contractors that's coming in behind us in some of the neighborhoods that we're in. And so she got confused. Anyway, we're out here, we'll take care of this for her. And one of the things going on here is this is a maintenance-free house, so to speak. When this house was built and sold, it's vinyl sided, it's wood trim underneath here, it's aluminum clad, but they never caulked anything. And then they used white wood across this frame. So what's happened to her is over the years, all the water that's collected in here, the video's not going to catch it, but you see the dip in here, in this area right here, there you go, in that area right there. And so if you were to push on this piece, there's nothing behind it, all the wood behind it. I can't pull this down to show you, but see how it's coming down with my hand right there? So we'll remove the aluminum casing right here, or coping, we'll pull that down. We'll replace this piece all the way across with pressure treated 2x8, redo the frame and set it back up for her, and she'll be in business again. We'll pick up a couple other little extra things for her. This light right here, someone broke the bulbs trying to get them out, so she'll kill the power for me. I can fix that for her as well. And then her gutters need to be cleaned, and this gutter over here is actually pulling away from the house. So we'll take care of that for her. But if you're looking for us, listen for the videos and find us that way. If you get confused with Home Advisor, we've been with them for like 15 or 16 years, I think, and we're one of their top rated contractors. Almost all of our reviews are 5-star. And so people see that, and then they're getting confused with these other idiots who are, you know, they may do great work, they may not do great work. I don't know these guys. It is what it is. So, and I don't have time to fight with lawyers and legal battles over this stuff. So these things we do every day, all day. You'll see me sometimes in this truck. Today I'm without a driver. Other days I'm in a conversion van. Someone's driving me so I can stay mobile. But my brother and I love this stuff. We've been doing it for over 25 years in Atlanta. But we do everything you can think of. Home repairs, handyman stuff, roof repairs, decking, siding, windows, painting, flooring, kitchens, baths, you name it, we do it. Just be patient with us. You can reach us in the office at 770-912-2829, or you can catch me sometimes at 770-265-9017. And you can see where we can add, just catch this right here. See how the gutter, the gap behind the gutter? So these are spiked. And every time the water comes down this valley, it's like if you pick up an empty can of an empty bucket and then fill that bucket with water, one, you know, weighs nothing and the other one weighs 20 pounds. And so every time it gets pressure and it pulls it off and it rocks the gutter. So now the water is actually getting behind the gutter where it'll start rotting the soffit and the fascias. So you don't have to change your gutters. These are 5-inch gutters. I'd love to have 6-inch here, but you don't need to change them. But we can add some hidden hanger screws to pull it nice and tight. Screws are forever, nails and spikes are temporary, so you just have to remember that. And unfortunately for most of you, you don't do any of this stuff. You try to watch videos to get an idea of what's going on and what you should be doing as a homeowner, but most contractors don't know what they're doing either. And if you don't specify materials or how to do things, they just slap it together the cheapest way possible because it's more money for them. Anyway, we'll see you at the next house. Bye for now.